Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Debi Silber and I help people heal physically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically, and spiritually from the trauma of betrayal from a family member, partner, or friend. I have a program, it's going kind of well, but it's rushed. And the thought of a membership program where people can gently and slowly but predictably heal seemed like a great thing. So when I learned about Tribe, I was like, this is exactly what I need to do. So what has Tribe done for me? It's so much, I had to write it down. So I set up a launch calendar with 4 launches. So I'm going to be launching 4 times a year and then launching to the wait list 4 times a year. I wrote all of my pre-launch and launch emails. I wrote 52 weeks of emails. So the entire email sequence, once they join, is already set, reminding them to log in, what that week will be, what they can expect, and all of that. Did the 4 PLF videos, product launch formula videos, and the thank you video. Not great, I'll redo it again for next time, but to start, good enough. Weekly content for the year, written and uploading Kajabi. And the way I did it was, I did it by recording over slides. So slides with the audio recorded for every single week, uploaded and done. Let's see, created the sales page. I had some help. The sales page, the purchase page, the thank you page, and the waitlist page. 4-day launch scheduled starting July 11th, which is next week. And Facebook Lives are already planned. The funnel has been tested. I even wrote some affiliate copy because I thought, well, you know what? I'll just invite a few people, not doing this big affiliate launch or anything, but a few people who were so excited to help. So let's see about that. And here's the thing. I have no idea how it'll go, but I'm just grateful to get this going. How did I do it? All I did was, from the moment Tribe started, I just committed to watching all of the lessons, and I couldn't catch the 10 and 10s, but that was what I did during my workouts. So I watched the 10 and 10s during every single workout, and I know it's so much content and it's so easy to get overwhelmed, and I get it. I'm a mom. I have 4 kids, 6 dogs, running my site. I have an institute in New York. I have a busy speaking schedule. But what I did do was I said no to a lot of things that were just busy work so I could focus on this stuff now. If I can do it, anyone can do it. I am not tech savvy at all, but it's done. And the beauty is, now that it's done, I just have to update it. I have to refresh it. I have to change it up a little bit, change the dates, but it's there. So I don't know how it's going to go. I haven't launched yet. And for a beta launch, though, just to have it up and going, I'm just so thrilled. So none of this would have happened without Tribe, without Stu's amazing just coaching through all of this. It's been incredible. Without the community, without the coaches, all of it. I've been at this a while, and I have made some really bad investments. This was one of the best business investments I've ever made. I am so grateful. If you're even the slightest bit on the fence about it, this is seriously a no-brainer. Tribe has been incredible. It's just an incredible experience. I can't wait to launch. I can't wait to have PBT, Post-Betrayal Transformation, PBT Academy, launching soon. And I wish you the best of luck in your membership too. Thanks.